Hi and welcome to a new video on my channel, and it's going to be a crafting video because after my time-lapse video of making a latex bodysuit, a lot of you got really specific questions, so I thought let's do a mini series about how to make latex garments, in which I'll explain a bit more. Today's first episode is all about basic equipment, what do you need to start, and in the next videos I'm going to show you step by step how to make latex garments, for example a top or leggings. Of course you need your latex sheet material. I have several colors here from Worflex. They produce the classic sheet latex and I'm happy that I could team up with them for this video series. So first, a pen. I prefer gel liners because you see them on black latex. You can also use a ball pen, for example, for transferring your pattern onto the latex. If you transferred your pattern onto the latex, you'll need a rotary cutter to cut out the latex panels for your garment. Then what you need is some white spirit to clean the latex and get rid of the talcum that is on the sheet latex. I'll just use a cloth for that and from the hardware store, white spirit. For the glue I use vulcanization fluid. I do not use the white latex milk for the normal seams and I apply it with a brush. That's pretty basic actually. And if you've done the seam, you use this roller to apply pressure onto the seam so the glue and the sheets stick together. Alright, now that you know what you need to start, let's do the first latex seam. For that I have 2 small pieces of latex because it'll be enough for now. As I said, I'm going to use my white spirit to clean the latex. It is completely normal that it starts rolling up here. You have a front side and a back side because you do put them on top of each other. So of course you need to put glue on the top from one side and on the back side from the other, so you can like flip it over. At some point it'll start unrolling again and then you'll know that you're good to go. For my glue I just put it in a small glass jar, don't get confused. I'll link the materials in the description text down below. So I'm going to dip in my brush and just apply really a thin layer along the edge of the latex. It'll start rolling up again, but don't worry, stay relaxed. That's like the most important tip. It'll unroll again at some point probably, especially if you're working with thicker latex. Just going to apply it on the other sheet. And wait till it's dry. In between, I'm going to clean my mat so there's not too much leftover glue on the mat. And wait for it to unroll again. Now I'm going to take the top layer into my hand and start laying the sheets on top of each other. I'm not pressing too much in the beginning, just doing it nice and slow and evenly. that's it. It all comes down to practice. I promise you, the more often you're doing this, the easier it gets. So this is my finished seam. I pressed it a bit together with my fingers, but for it to really stick together, I'm going to apply pressure with this roller here. Done. You could basically wear the garment now if you are done with applying pressure. So I can pull and it sticks together. You don't need time to dry it, you don't need to put it on a radiator or whatever. This is good to go. Just keep your latex out of the sunlight, and if you're done with your garment, you can wash it. I do have a video about latex care, just click here, and I guess I'll see you in the next video for our first project. See you around, bye.